Hello friends, hi, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So guys, today I am going to discuss the two things. The first one is a direction and the second one is a destination. So what is the meaning of that and what is the connection between English communication? Yeah, it is true and it is really connected with this. That's why just I decided to make a video on that because wherever it's not about English communication learning, whatever you want to decide, what you want to become in your future, what is your goal. So whatever you decided your goal, I want to go there, I want to reach there, and I want to become like that, I want to be that, I want to become that. So whatever you decided, this is the destination you, wherever you want to reach. And the direction is how you are going, how you are going over there, if you are going right direction or wrong direction. So both thing is a more important. That is why I just decided to make video on that. See, if you want to go Delhi, so first you decided I want to go Delhi. So first what you need to do, obviously maybe you are going by car, maybe you are going by flight, maybe you are going by bike, maybe you are going by bicycle, maybe you are going by walking. Any mode you need to decide to reach there. If you are going by plane, obviously it is very short, within a short term you can reach there like 2 hours, 1 hours and 30 minutes as per your destination. If you are going by car, obviously it will take time. If you are going by cycle, obviously it will take more time. And if you are going by walking, so it will take a lot of time. So yeah, but depend you are going on right direction or not. Like Delhi, like here Delhi, but you are going there, so it is really not going to work, and you somewhere you not reach your destination. So in this video just I'm going to tell you about the English also. English is a destination. You decided to learn, I'm decided to learn, but what I am doing for that, the thing is what I am doing for that, I am doing listening, I am reading books, I am making sentence, I try to understand grammar, I'm making sentence on daily basis 100, 250, whatever is possible as per my time schedule. Okay, that's fine. Apart from this, what I am doing extra, that is called speaking. Speaking come through speaking only. So as per my understanding, people, they are 80% they are thinking, okay, first the mindset, okay, first I need to learn English communication, so first I need to understand the grammar. Yeah, it is true, it is true, it is really true. First you need to understand the grammar, how you need to make a sentence. If you're going to talk with any people, so people are saying any word like anything, so how you can answer. So for that you need to understand the basic. Yeah, basic, you if you understood it will, as for my understanding, you know basic, everybody is know basic, where I need to use am, where I need to use are, where I need to use did, where I need to use was were. So everybody is know. If anyone they really don't know about this. It will not take more than 1 week or maximum 15 days. I'm not going to tell you if you need to go deeply and you understand all those things what happening over there. No, it is really not necessary actually. You just understand the thing how it is work, and after that you just start practice. You just start practice. I have 20-year plus experience to speaking Hindi, and if I'm going to talk with you in Hindi, and it is really not possible to you beat me, because I am confident on that, and nobody trained me to learn English Hindi. But now I am decided to learn English. So yeah, so what I am doing for that? So I told you, if you are decided to go Delhi, so first you need to go the right direction. If you decided to learn English, so first you need to do the right thing. So what is the right thing? You need to do practice. Practice is the right direction. आपके शरीर को, आपके मुंह को, आपकी जीभ, आपके टिथ, आपका जो भी है, आपका बॉडी पार्ट, इट्स ऑल हैबिचुअल टू स्पीक हिंदी. आपको इसको भी आदत डालना पड़ेगा. आपके बॉडी को इसको भी हैबिचुअल बनाना पड़ेगा कि नाउ आई हैव टू स्पीक इंग्लिश ऑल्सो. So this is the thing, this is the direction, this is the correct direction. So correct direction, now we have to go there. So if you want to decide at Delhi, so you have to go there like this, then only possible to reach over there. And now you decided to learn English, so what you need to do? You need to do practice. Yeah, listening is also important. If you will listen to other, then you will get idea. What idea you will get? How they are talking, way of pronunciation, vocabulary, sentences, body language, where you need to stop yourself, where you need to start, where you need to take pause. Like that you need to practice. And then you realize when you listen to other, a lot of videos there on YouTube. You can watch any good speaker, how they are talking. You try to understand. You also learning, I am also learning. I am not a fluent speaker, still I am learning. Yeah, I maybe in this video I did a lot of mistake. I agree with that, because I am not a fluent speaker, still I am learning. So I did mistake, that is fine. People what they are thinking, don't think about that. People just focus on your aim, where you need to reach. If you are doing mistake, means you are learning. When you realize I did mistake here, that mistake you never you will do in future. So when you realize your mistake, so that mistake never happen in your future. So that is important. Or I believe, guys, if you are doing like that, nobody can beat you, and very soon you become a good speaker. That's all for today. Thanks a lot. I keep learning, keep practice. Jai Hind.